Okay, in today's class, we will be understanding what are all the various shift operations are available in the instruction set. So few such instructions are given here: LSL, LSR, ASR, ROR, and RRX. So LSL means what? Logically shift left. LSR means logically shift right. ASR means arithmetic right shift. ROR means rotate right. RRX means rotate right extended. Okay, I'll explain you one of the shifting operations here. So as you all know that the bit size is from 0 to 31. That is, there will we are performing the shifting operation for 32 bits. Okay, 32 bits is what is the data that we have considered here. It is 80000004, right? So that data is written in the form of a binary representation. Okay, if you want to perform a left shift by one time, then how actually it works is, so this 0 will be coming to this, the bit 0 position will be coming to the first bit position, and the bit 1 position will be coming to the bit second position, and bit 2 will be coming to the bit 3 position. So likewise it will be completely moving towards the left side, and the last bit, the 31st bit, will be moving into the carry flag. Okay, since the bit is 1 here, since the 31st bit is 1 here, the carry flag is becoming 1. Actually, before shifting, the carry flag was 0. How you will get to know that the carry flag was 0 before moving? See here, if you just observe NZCV, C is represented in a smaller letter because C is having the 0th value. After moving 1, after performing the shift operation, so the 31st bit position is going into the carry flag. So the carry flag therefore the carry flag is becoming as logic 1. Okay, so that's why I'm representing C as capital C, that is logic 1. Logic 1 is moved into the carry flag. I hope you have understood how this bits are getting moved towards the left side for one position. Okay, if you just observe this diagram, so the LSB will be loaded with 0, and MSB position, the 31st position, will be moving into the carry flag of your CPSR register. So this is how the left shift operations happens with the help of barrel shifter. So shifts left by a specified amount multiplies by a power of 2. So you can easily, if you want to perform the logical left shift operation for one time, it will be multiplying the data with the power of 2. I'll explain you with a simple example, then you will understand. So if you want to perform the logical shift of a particular data for 5 times, then you have to multiply that data by 2 to the power of 5. That is, 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32. So you need to multiply the 32 with that data, so that the result you will be getting automatically instead of performing the shifting operations. I'll just explain with a simple example. See here. So this is a bit position 0, bit position 1, bit position 2, bit position 3. Likewise, I have written till bit position 31. Okay. So what is the data I have considered? R3 is 4. Okay, 0000004. So I have represented this data in the form of a binary form. So all the bit positions are filled with zeros. Only the 0th first second, I mean the second bit is filled with 1. So I mean to say that you are representing the 4 here. Okay, so now I have to perform a left shift for one time. Means what happens? So this will be this information which is stored in the bit position 0 will be coming to bit position 1, and bit position 1 data will be coming to bit position 2, and bit position 2 will be coming to bit position 3. So likewise it will be continuously moving towards the left side. But what about the last bit position? So the last bit position will be moved into the carry flag, as we have discussed in the previous slide. As we have seen the diagram, the LSB will be loaded with 0, and the MSB is loaded with, the MSB contents will be loaded into the carry flag of your CPSR register. So the same thing, if I want to perform it for another time shift towards left, then what happens? Again, see here, 0 is coming here. Okay, 0 is coming here, 0 is coming here, and this 0 is coming here, and this 1 is coming here. So this 0 is appended. because we need to move the LSB with 0, and MSB has to be MSB, the whatever the MSB that was there in the previous step, that MSB will be moved into the carry flag. Okay,